All I want for Christmas is a light-up Porg t-shirt. For this project, we'll use some Crazy Circuit sewable electronics. 5 jumbo LEDs, a blink fade board, a screw terminal, a AAA battery pack, plain thread and needles, and of course, conductive thread. First, we'll lay out the parts. The jumbo LEDs will go right on the Christmas lights on the t-shirt. The blink fade board and screw terminal chip will go on the bottom corner of the shirt. Secure each component in place by stitching with some plain thread. On the LEDs, we'll go through 2 of the corners. We'll also stitch down the blink fade board and the screw terminal. Next comes the conductive thread. We'll use this to make our electrical connections. On the LEDs, we'll stitch down a corner and then run the power to every other LED in parallel. Between the blink fade board and screw terminal, we'll sew the connections for positive and negative power. Then we'll sew the alternate blink connections up to the LEDs. When all the LED connections are complete, we'll connect our AAA battery pack to the screw terminal. Flip the power switch to on to test that the shirt lights up. You now have a festive shirt for Christmas or any occasion, thanks to Crazy Circuits. We hope you like these videos. Please share, like, comment, and subscribe. Check out all our cool projects at browndoggadgets.com.